How to fix Facetune app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that the Facetune application is updated to its latest version on your device. So let's check it. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to go back and then tap on the settings of this device. And then scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and you can search for the application on the search bar, or you can just scroll down in the app list and find the application of Facetune. Then tap on it and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that and you can delete all data if it is convenient for you, and if not, you can just delete the cache. After that, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on this option of allowing the files and media permission. Now go back and your issue might have been solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.